So hi guys, welcome back to another breakdown video. So in this video, I'm going to do a NQ short breakdown which I took today only. So let's begin. So in front of you, this is a daily chart, and you can see this is the gap of NQ which I mentioned yesterday also. So before starting this video, if you are looking for the futures firm, I will introduce you to Core Funded Future. So they have three plans: EOD, static, and instant funding. Plus they have many platforms available. You can use anyone. Personally, my favorite is Tradeovate and Project X. And you can also use instant funding. You don't need to pass any evaluation with them. You direct shift to a funded account. Plus you can take payout after you get your account. So here are the rules, and that much pretty for gold funded futures. You make sure to check out them if you want to start your journey in future funding, like in future firms. So make sure to check out them. Link is in description. Here is if I mark previous week high, you can see price took the previous week high plus gap high also and start rejecting from that only. So this was the first idea which shifted my mind to bearishness. Like it was a fake out here of previous week high plus not able to close above the gap. So this was the first criteria that price is not going to bullish at all. So if I shift to 1 hour time frame and wait, let me remove the candles first so I can give a better idea. So you notice price action, this price action here, this one. Okay, what price does here is, first of all, it's bullish. First of all, you can see near 4 a.m. So in London, what price does is it takes the 1 hour FEG. So if you want to go upside from here and give a proper breakout here, I want a price to be bullish at all. Like it should follow at least bullish order flow. There should be no consolidation like this. If you see consolidation here, that means most likely price gonna reverse from here after taking SFP. So for me, if I want to be bullish here and expecting a good breakout. So what I mean by a proper breakout here is, let me show you example. So if I want a breakout of let's suppose this level, so what I want price here to do is give a proper good follow up like this only and give a breakout. So there is following of bullish order flow. You can see price following bullish order flow. But what price does here is it was totally consolidation. You can see just making going higher but closing downside, closing going higher but not giving proper closing above previous high. You can see like if I mark this high, so price just does a wick here, and again if I mark this high, there was no strong closing above this high. So this was there was no clean order flow here. So this was the basic understanding that price is not interested in going higher. So what's the plan here? Either it retraces from this side, from here only, or it take this high, which is SFP previous week high, and start giving bearish order flow and fall for this low or lower values. So this was the basic my plan for today, and it does same only. Like next candle, if you see, it takes the high and doesn't sustain here. So this was the first signal that price is not gonna sustain above previous week high, and it made a SFP here. You can see just taking the high and closing inside the range only. So this is the example. Like if so let's suppose this is right. Let's suppose this is a range and price not able to sustain below the range and closes above. Let's suppose this is the candle and it closes here. So high chance of going to the opposite side of range. This was the basic plan for today only. You can see this is a range. The price not able to give a strong closing here and reverse back to the range. And this was the range low. My target was this 5 minute some there was a daily value day low of Friday. I target that only. So this was the idea on 1 hour time frame buyer shorted. And if I show you keep your chart, you can see this is the value day low here, red line, you can see. This is a value low, price not able to sustain above value low, previous week value low, and this high also, and this high also was a weak high. So this was also one indication that it can take weak high and reverse back to opposite side of range, which is this POC and the single print. That's a different story, but you can see this was a basic price reading for bias. So if I shift to lower time frame, so yeah, here was the previous day value area low. You can see I target that only, and if I see here what price does here is it gives at 9:30 time market. So yeah, here is a 9:30, and I shift to 1 year time frame because I took trade on that time frame only. So you can see this was the fake out here. My first plan was to I was waiting for some. So I was waiting for here to price to come and short, but what price does here is it rejects from here only, and when price again take rejection from here and give a strong closing below this, that was the indication for me that price gonna go for a lower value, and I took a short here only, and my stop loss was just above this. I was not like I didn't risk much in this trade, and it was a small stop loss also. So it was a quick reaction for firstly. Then I added one more short, one more lot. I guess here when I see a rejection from this side, so I shorted here, and here somewhere I closed all of my positions. This was the plan. First of all, I waited. I want to like when I saw this rejection, this fast quick rejection, I didn't try to catch it because this was like very fast reaction. I don't want to trade it, so I waited for like a price to come to this zone. So I will take a short here. But what price does it? It start rejecting from here only, and I saw like this is a zone from where it's rejecting. Then I wait for some lower lows to form to give me some confirmation. Then I after confirmation I shorted here, and this was the pretty much trade. And I hope you understand the concept, like why I shorted, and I'm able to teach that properly.